Salmon sandwich is 9.6 each. Tuna sandwich is 6.40 each. So I hope you see the word each. Can you? Can you? So if you have the cost of each food item, so therefore we use the table method. In this case, you have the salmon and you have the tuna. Okay? Each salmon is $960 per food item. For tuna is $640. Okay? So therefore, in this case, this is the each number total when each is known. What is not known? Number is not known. Number is unknown. Okay? So how do you do it? So they say Yanting spent $464 on some salmon and sandwiches, and she bought 15 more salmon. So 15 more salmon means the plus 15 should go to the salmon, right? Right? Right?
Yes.
So if tuna is U, salmon will be U plus 15. Does it make sense? Okay? Because they say 15 more salmon than tuna, right? So if U is tuna, so salmon will be 15 plus U. Alright? So now, how do you get the total? Like I say, I cannot emphasize this enough. How do you get the total? You don't just use your calculator. No. Show how you get the total. How? You should take 9.6 times the U plus 15, right? Right?
Right.
Then how do you get the total for the tuna? 6.4 times the U, right? Right? So for this one, you don't have to use the calculator anymore. This is simply 6.4U. Okay? But you need to use the calculator for the above, the salmon one, right?
Yes.
Because how do you get the total? You need to, what do you call that?
9.6.
You need to,
100. Okay.
you need to open the brackets, right?
Yeah.
So you open the bracket, the first arrow will give you 9.6U. The second arrow will give you, can you read from your, so 9.6 times 15, what's the answer?
144.
144. Right?
Yeah.
So with this, they say Yanting spent 464 on salmon and tuna. Right? So salmon and tuna means this one and this one will give you 464. Does it make sense? So therefore you get 961U plus 144 plus 6.4U equals to 464. Okay? Then after that, U and U underline similar term. So this one go over. This one will give you 15. Oh, actually 16. U. This one will give you 464 minus 144. Then 16U equals to 320. Then this U is 20, right? So once you get 2U equals 20, so you just put it here. Don't erase. Don't erase. Then this one will be, add up will be 35, right? Right?
Right.
Now the question asks, how many tuna sandwiches did Yanting buy? So number of tuna. So the number of tuna is which one? This is the number of tuna. Can you see? So therefore the answer is 20 for first part. Okay? Second part. Emily spent an equal amount of money on salmon and tuna. So therefore you need to create another table for Emily. This is Yanting table. So Emily table. The table is similar except the total and the each. Okay, each is the same because salmon and tuna cost the same. Alright?
Yeah.
In both cases. And Emily spent an equal money on salmon and on tuna. The money is here, right?
Yes.
So this will be U, this will be U. So how do you find number in this case?
U divide.
Yeah, U divided by 9.6, right? That's the number of salmon for Emily. Then U divided by 6.4, that is the number of tuna for Emily, right? So you just write down, number of salmon is U over 9.6. Number of tuna is U divided by 6.4. Okay? So how do you see this fraction is, when you have a U, that means there's a 1 above. So therefore, you simplify into 1 over 9.6 U. For this one is, you have a U here, right? Therefore, you have a 1 here. So it's 1 over 6.4 U. So the number of salmon is this one. The number of tuna is this one. Clear?
Clear.
Then now they say, you need to find the fraction of sandwiches Emily bought were salmon sandwich. So the fraction of sandwich is salmon sandwich. So the how do you get this in mathematics is salmon over the total number. The fraction of sandwiches, salmon sandwich, is salmon sandwich divided by the total number. Not total amount. They are not talking about the cost or the amount here. They're talking about the number, right? Okay?
Right.
So therefore, salmon is, this one is salmon. And the total number is, these two add up, right? Okay, so if you solve this, it's 2 over 5. That's the fraction. Okay? So this question, I think part B, right? The part B is, you can see another question is, let's say if you have 20 red, you have 30 blue. If I ask you for the fraction of red, how do you get this question? The fraction of red equal to 20 over
20. The total.
which is 20 plus,
30.
yep, so it's 20 over 50 divided by 10, so it's 2 over 5. Okay, so so what this, if they ask for fraction of red means, I don't care about the answer so much, I care about what you put. So if they ask for fraction of red means red divided by total. Okay? If they ask for fraction of blue, which is, yes, blue over total. If they ask for the fraction of yellow, then it will be yellow over total. And in this case, the yellow is, do you have any zero here? So it's 0. 0 divided by total. Total is these two together, right? The fraction is 0. Okay? So that's how you solve this question.